Hey guys, what is up today? Today I am going to be looking at this. When you plug it in after a few seconds, I have this all paneled up. This is my first panel, and that's the power supply right there. It's a Honeywell power supply. My mom's going to plug it in, but after a few seconds, for some reason, I don't know why, but the siren's going to go on fire mode. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Now I'm gonna go back here before it goes off. Now Mom, press some buttons on the keypad before it goes off. Okay? Just press 4 or 5 more. It's gonna go off any moment. I'll tell you when it goes off. There? It's not loud at all. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, now we're gonna stop it. You can unplug it. That what happens. There we go. That's it. Thank you for watching.